Hi there.
Today we'll be changing the cabin air filter, which is behind the glove compartment of my Saturn Vue. Since I go to very dusty areas when I used it for work, it was getting pretty clogged up there. And I was noticing the air conditioner was much cooler after I changed the filter. Okay, we open the door and here are the 3 screws we're going to remove. By the way, I also towed this behind my motorhome, in case you didn't notice the base plate in front of the car. We close the door and we have 3 more screws. 1, 2, 3. There are clips that hold these in place, by the way. So you don't have to worry about the whole glove compartment falling on you. Okay, I'm gonna open the doors and very gently just pull the clips. Bottom clip. One more top. Like that. And as you see, the clips are right here. One here, and I believe there's another one on the bottom here. And they go in here. There's only 3 of them, one on this side and 1 too. Okay, now we see the blue label there, that's the cover to the filter. Push down on the clips and they should open. You pull up and it opens. Hold it up very gently. You take the filter off. Ooh, this puppy's bad. Hold on. Here's the new one, and there is the arrow pointing down. So we want to make sure we put it back the same exact way as this one came out. Go in. Just be careful you don't get it ripped up. We slide it in very gently and holding the lid up so the locking clips don't get caught on the paper filter. And we close it, snap it back on. We take the lid and we match up the clips on each side here. And that should hold it while we put top screws back in. Nice and snug. Now we do the bottom, the center. Okay, that's about it, gentlemen. We are all done. This is my old sticker when I first bought this car, 23 miles per gallon. Sticker price was $27,375. 2008 Vue XR FWD, 3.6 liter, 6-cylinder engine, 6-speed auto transmission. I'm gonna keep that in there. I hope this helps someone out there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, click on my icon on the top right of the screen and check out some of my end videos. And after all that, you have a great day.